How meditation calms the mind and body. Looking for a stress-relieving break? When we are concerned or agitated, it is tough to let go of certain thought patterns and maintain our calm. Our bodies are pushed out of equilibrium when we are under a lot of stress. The process causes the body to produce large amounts of cortisol. A single obsessive idea in the mind might trigger a response that causes the body to operate in survival mode. Meditation is a simple technique to follow if you wish to begin working from a calmer and more relaxed state. Let's look at how this technique might help you relax your mind and body. Meditation can assist to decrease the body's cortisol production. As basic as this may sound, lowering cortisol helps you maintain a more balanced state of mind. Additionally, meditation has the relaxing effect of increasing the flow of feel-good hormones in the body. Meditation can also assist increase the sleep hormone melatonin, which aids in mood regulation. Stress levels created by the mind and external environment have a detrimental effect on our mental and physical health. Because we have a mind-body link, good mental consequences can result in improved health. When you meditate, you get a sense of relaxation. This relaxation reaction aids in breathing and heart rate regulation. Please share this video with your friends.